Hi everyone, today I'm going to be doing a swipe, and I'm going to be using a black cell activator. A little experiment. My white base is just a combination of all the leftover paint I had for a bunch of pearl recipes. It has satin enamel exterior, it has Behr Semi-Gloss, it has, what is this, interior kitchen and bath enamel, it has regular white acrylic, it has a little bit of milk paint, it has GAC 800, it has some Floetrol, and it has a little bit of Liquitex pouring medium. So it's just a ton of different stuff. So that's going to be my base today. I'm going to be swiping. I took off, this is with photo paper I cut up and made the edges a little round, just to see what happens with taking that hard edge off. Let me go over the colors real quick. This right here is DecoArt Satin True Blue and Handy Art Phthalo Blue with the Artist Loft Iridescent Medium. This is Handy Art Bright Red with Chrome Yellow. And also it has a little bit of the Artist Loft Iridescent in it for a little sparkle. This is PBO Iridescent Blue Green. This is DecoArt 24 Karat. This is PBO Violet Blue Iridescent. And this is Color Shift Purple Flash. So the recipe is down below on how I mix my paints here and also my swipe color. If you look down below, that's my regular Sheleeart technique recipe, and all I did was thin it down with some polyacrylic and a little water to make it a little thinner than I usually make it for this technique. So let me get set up here. I think I'm going to do it in this order. Try to keep this order going. Okay, that way and that way and that way. Okay. So let me get my base down here. I'm going to be pouring on photo paper. This is Canon photo paper. I made a platform. If you look back at my prior videos, you can see how I did that and some other different techniques I've done on Canon photo paper. So check that out. Appreciate you if you subscribe and share and push the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. This was super thin. I put a little bit of the golden gel gloss in this to try to thicken it up just a little bit. So we'll see how that goes. Might be some goobies in here. Still in Kona. Be here for until like the end of March. A little bit more. I'm gonna have a nice, I want it to be able to stretch easily. This time I'm going to put more paint than I usually do. It's going to have a little negative space, but not a whole bunch. I don't know. We'll see how that goes. You never know how things are going to go until you get going on it. Alright, so I'm going to do blue first. That's a lot of blue. I like this orange color. PBO paints, the iridescent colors are really pretty. They really give that your work this shimmer. All right, that's a lot of paint. So we'll see how this goes. So I just put my black cell activator on a tile. I'm going to, I hope this is stiff enough for what I want to do. Go ahead and put that on there. Start swiping. Use a new one. Oops, that'll come off anyway. Yeah, that's way more paint than I usually use. All right, that's all the swiping I'm gonna do. All right, I think I'm done playing. Let's see what this makes. I'm gonna come off this way first, towards me. I got plenty of it off, so I'm not gonna worry about that. I just worry about the base paint, how that's gonna dry. I'm gonna make sure I cover it. You know, I want to torch it, but then I don't. No, I'm not going to. Usually with this technique you don't torch because it brings up these little dots, and I can fix those. The thing is, I don't know if the base is going to come up through the colors because of, well, because it's a pearl, sort of a pearl mix. And I don't know, I'm just curious about what'll happen. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop the bubbles in here. There's only a few, which I'm really happy about. And then I will bring you up. Description is the recipe for the Sheleeart technique, except I thin the paints. So just remember that. I update the recipe as I improve it. Like I said, appreciate you watching. Aloha.